Got this big smoked out in this motherfucker. Brian said he gonna show out.
Sideways, cool be out my body. Whole click pull up and vets, bitch.
Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. How you living, how you feeling, Versatile Squad, y'all. Today, we got a day in Dallas. Just cruising around the city, man. Gonna go try to eat at the bar they got at the top of downtown Dallas, man. That thing live. We're gonna see if we can eat at the restaurant up there. Got this nice, cool little Raptor here. We at the tire shop today, man. As you know, I got hit. So, trying to get a new tire because I know I've been running it low. So, the inside of that tire probably ate up, man. I just want to see if they could bend it back, you know. At least give me a new tire so I can make it back home, man. Because I ain't gonna lie. This man swear he beat me fair and square. He know the vet broke right now. You see that tire? He beat me with a limp leg.
Camera.
That's a limp leg. That's a limp leg.
Hey, off camera.
He capped. We going off. Alright, y'all. So we got a new tire on there with some sealant, so we shouldn't be leaking no more. Should have a nice ride on the way back. Got some more tread on there. Mama good to go now. I do want a rematch, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, we got to get a rematch in on this good Sunday in Mexico.
We gotta pass through it to get home anyway.
Might as well, man. What's good, Versatile Squad? So we made it to a Dallas rooftop, man. Didn't get to get the view we wanted on top of the ball, man. Eating at the restaurant. I think I found the name of it. It's called Cloud 9, and you can actually go to the top of the ball and eat. And just the sightsee, man. They got a whole bunch of telescopes around the globe. That thing nice. I wanted to go give it a try, you know. Up here getting some shots though with my boy JR Productions, man. He did just get a new camera. My nigga in that whole full photographer mode, huh?
Oh, what the fuck? Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me fucking nice.
Damn.
You wanna see the rest, go to the goddamn Instagram. Versatile Speed, go tap in with my nigga.
Appreciate it, man. With that being said, y'all, since he got a new camera, we gotta get a new intro. I know y'all tired of seeing that same intro, man. Gotta get a new intro, man, with the Venom Vet, with the new wheels on there. Man, be breaking necks like a motherfucker. Then we got her ugly side, the white side, the side that got hit. Oh my God. It's good, it's good. We got new ones coming, we ain't worried about it. The carbon fiber shining in the light, man. Come on. Then got the rooftop going stupid. And if y'all haven't seen my new banner, y'all, got Venom Vet on there. It was Venom Vet Less. I actually got some new merch. Go to my fiance so she can record for me. Go ahead so I can show the people the new merch, baby. Thank you. Got VVL, you know, like VVS's, like my boy JR say, VVL and that thing. Then you got the banner on the back that says Venom Vet Less. And then you got the Venom Vet sitting there looking pretty. Man. Let me know if y'all like those in the comment section down below, y'all. Might have some for sale. If y'all like them, enough people, I get enough pre-orders in. Man, go ahead and throw in a little clothing line. Why not, huh? We're out here chasing dreams, chasing goals, y'all. That beautiful Pro AFV 5R intake. Look at that thing. That's how it's supposed to be shining, y'all. I love that this came with the clear window because you can see it. That way, if it's dirty, anything. It really must. I must got some bad voodoo on me or something. Damn, the dirty detail ain't had to do me this dirty. First, I was making fun of him because he hit a big little hump. Dallas checked him. Dallas checked me a little bit harder, man.
Wait a minute.
Move, man.
He's capping. Dallas ain't checked shit. I ain't do nothing wrong. My shit fine.
That hoe ain't fly?
Shit. No.
You a lie. That hoe shot up in the air.
No, it didn't.
I thought you was on a roller coaster.
No, you thought you was on a roller coaster.
Nah.
Shit. Tell him how you.
This is not a roller coaster. This is swerving because of a big ass pothole in Dallas. Big hump, actually. I was trying to swerve and miss it. End up hitting a little cement hockey puck on the road, man. End up just busting the tire, man. Then this one got a leak. You can just hear it sissing out. It's all bad. Looks like we gotta go back to Omar's Tires and Wheels, man. See if he can give me a front and another new rear. Damn, Dallas. The love was real here, but the streets don't love me like a motherfucker. Only good thing is this beautiful scene though right here. We got the little big brother right here. You ain't got the little brother. It's all good. We at TJ Maxx. Waiting for the tow truck, man. So
have y'all ever been riding with somebody and they
all you
just
gotta
fuck
do
around
is
and blow 2 tires? One.
You ever have an asshole like this in your life? That's all you gotta do to him. You just gotta hold that finger up to him, y'all, and keep it pushing.
He just left. Oh shit. Yo, camera finna die, champ. It's all bad on the left hand. Yo, camera finna die and my memory card full.
God damn. It's all bad, Versatile Squad. I gotta record on the phone. The camera died. I do have another battery, but it's in the car, so apparently it's up there. I'm down here. Ain't finna try to get up there and go get it. Gotta head back to Omar's Tire Shop, y'all. I just put another tire on the other side to try to hold until we get home. Cause you know, this one I got hit in, so it's been leaking. Then turn around after I just left the shop. Get 2 flats, man. Might be able to patch this one. If not, I gotta get another new one. This one just dumped for. I definitely gotta get a new one. Look, y'all can see the crack right there. Like carbon fiber though. It's in the wrap, on the side skirts, on the hood. Stop playing with me. It's alright, she look good up there. About to get back rolling soon, y'all. Heading straight to H-Town, y'all. We ain't finna try to explore Dallas no more. We going straight back to H-Town. I'm gonna see y'all when we on the road, man. Cobra in that bitch. Got the vet getting unloaded.
That bitch pressure, bro.
See what he can do for me, man. Just left this motherfucker. Gotta turn right back around and go back. Alright, y'all, just in case your boy do need a new rim, they got me covered, man. Just in case. I asked him, he said, he looked at me with that, I got the wheels. I see why. Man, they got them everywhere. From trucks to cars, wide, big, whatever. They got it all. It's so nice. Well, let me go see my selections. I got my choices. Just in case. Got the thing spinning. Why is that thing spinning? It's on the floor. It's not supposed to be spinning. This is where Corey Pritchard goes. Real to real, real to real. Hemi Life 44. They all come here, man. Go mess with Omar. There's some Lexanis too. Nah, them Lux and different brand. I wouldn't put those on the vet though. I wouldn't go that stupid now, y'all. Man, hopefully he can fix my rim. I got Brian here at Omar's Tires and Wheels, man. Get me right after hours. I appreciate you working on my car, man. Make sure y'all come over here and check them out. They got any wheels y'all need, any tires.
Did I get the inside already?
Yeah, the inside was nice. I was like, oh yeah, he got anything I need just in case.
Yeah.
Hopefully this thing hold on, man, till I can get home, put the stocks on.
Double shit right. Oh, yeah.
Man, with that being said, that's gonna be it for this one, man. I done had a long day in Dallas. This was supposed to be a nice, quick, fun meet day. Nope. It's been a long one for sure, man.
Hey, it all started going bad after he tried to line up with Mama.
No bullshit. Mama bad luck, goddamn. For me. Can I do one? Can I hit one?
You don't have a line lock mode only. You can't just hold the brake and like hit the gas.
Yeah.
Like every other car. Like
Kept trying to go sideways on you.
Let me just start it all over. This bitch is stupid the way it won't let you just like hit the brake. Like Hellcats, all that shit. You just hold the brake, hit the gas.
It's forward, I understand. No, I'm messing with shit.
It's forward. Oh, let me know how traction control on.
Yo, get my car. Oh, we got the rose gold going stupid in the back. Everybody's showing out now. Crazy ending to the day, man.
Come on, Brian. Let me see some, Brian.
You got room now, Brian.
Some, Brian. Yeah, it's not the phone, Tim. Let me some, Brian.
Woo. Smoked out. Dang, you got your hood open. Man, got the middle bed. I can't even do one. She said. Got this big smoked out in this motherfucker. Got this big smoked out in this motherfucker. Brian said he gonna show out. There she go.
You gotta play with that shit a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
That shit was cute.
What a way to end the day, y'all. Been a long day in Dallas. Time to get back to the H. That being said, y'all, it's finally gonna be the end of this video. Y'all remember to stay versatile, treat each day like it's your Friday, man. Go ahead and like it's your last. We out.
Popped out a motherfucker bed. Popped in a motherfucker